everybody, I'm Hannah, aka Creative Mommy of 2. And welcome back if you have been here before. And if you're new, hi, welcome. I hope you like it and yeah, stay for a while. Let's grab my color. There, this one. I'm already off track. Well, this goes well. Yeah. How was your week? I hope you had a fun week. Lots of fun things done. Good times. My week was, hey, yeah, strange. A little bit of everything. So yeah, buckle up and yeah, hold on tight. Where this one's will be a strange one, as always. And as always, probably a rambly one, and yeah, one that's going from left to right and back and forth and every direction in like 10 seconds. But yeah, if you've been here before, yeah, you know how I am too. Yeah. If you don't like rambly videos, well, I'm sorry up front. I'll probably be, as always, rambly, strange, and yeah, covering 10 different subjects in 10 minutes. So yeah, if you don't like that, sorry. So yeah, again, I hope you had a wonderful week. I'm this week, as like most of the weeks, working still on So Many Books, So Little Time by Diamond Art Club. Well, by Randall Spangler from Diamond Art Club, I should say. So I believe last week that apparently this is Diamond Art Club's, well, yeah, #1 selling kit of all time. And on the top 5, there were 3 of these little draglings. So yeah, their favorite. And I need to say I love them. I still have a couple that I really want to have, but I have so far than this one. I finished Rounding Up the Dust Bunnies. That was the first Diamond Art Club I ever completed. I have now already kitted up Bubble Bubble Chocolate Trouble from last year's Halloween version, I think. I have that one kitted up to start on or after September 1st for Drills and Chills and also for Festival of Witches, which I'm really excited to join this year. Well, Festival of Witches is the first year, I believe, but yeah, Drills and Chills have been around more. Are you also participating in Drills and Chills? And if so, which canvas? Or with what canvas, I should say, I think. I don't know. Yeah, you know what I mean. Off to a great start today. But yeah, if you're doing Drills and Chills, what are you joining? Or are you doing any other events? Or are you now skipping events? Because yeah, let's be honest, there is quite a lot going on everywhere. But yeah, you can also join in events with other things. So maybe you're participating with cross stitch in a cross stitch group or something. I'm not judging. I would like to know that. Which all over the board events are you doing? I'm at the moment only trying to do those 2. But yeah, I have enough on my plate already. Because yeah, as you know, I am also like dabbling a bit in resin. I'm now trying to figure out some things on like how to like sand and polish like the back of things properly. Because yeah, the many of the things that I am wanting to make are jewelry. So yeah, you don't want to have like a sharp piece of resin scratch over your skin. So yeah, trying to find decent stuff for that, which works without me needing to like take a whole day just to sand and polish one item, because yeah, then I can ask like for a set of earrings like 100 euros and they definitely won't sell. So yes, I am trying to do a test batch of many things and I'm trying to see if I can make a business out of it. I'm going to make a test batch and take them with me at the end of September to my parents because there is a yard sale there. So I'm trying, if the weather is good, to go there and, well, yeah, get a bit of a reaction, like what would people want to have and are the prices that I'm wanting to ask if they're okay and stuff. So yeah, maybe even before that I'll post it on Facebook, but I think it will be after, because yeah, I want to have enough with me for just in case that it goes really well. And I am also planning to do some different things. As far as I have in my mind for now, with what I am wanting to do, I have these gummy bears that I want to make earrings and necklaces of. Maybe even like small keychains. Don't know for sure. They're cute though. And I am wanting to do the koi fish as keychains. And for the rest, also dinosaur, like these really cute little dinosaur things. Also, I think as necklaces and earrings, I have like an alphabet mold. And I'm thinking about doing some keychains in the alphabet. The things I have in my head now are, well, just plain lettering. But that might be just a little bit too plain. Also available with glitter, obviously. I'm thinking about doing like a beachy theme and one with like a sort of like sprinkles, but then like polymer clay versions. I have seen some molds, but I'm debating on them, of like little skeletons. So you can like use little rings to put them together, so you have like a keychain or maybe even a necklace or an earring, depending how big they will turn out and how heavy, like little skeletons. So I think that will be cute. And what else did I have? I am thinking about the little trays I have. Well, trays, the boxes I use as my trash drill storage. I'm debating on whether or not I should make those, and if so, if I would also make them with like the drills, or if I would just make a plain box. And yeah, I'm trying to make like pencil cases, well, more like those higher, taller kind of things to put in, yeah, pens and stuff. Maybe even like diamond painting pens. So I might do those in, yeah, drills. So tell me, what is your favorite color? Could be a DMC or specific, or just like purple or blue or whatever is your favorite color. Maybe I can see a little bit what people like, so yeah. I am trying to see that. I have gotten in my storage boxes, kind of containers, jars, contraption things last week. So in the weekend I have been sitting outside and sorting all my mica powders and my glitters and stuff. So yeah, my balcony is quite a colorful glittery rainbow at the moment. But yeah, I have a lot. Yeah, did like a boatload of shopping last week because yeah, I had to go here, I had to go there, and yeah, ordered some stuff online and then got that, and yeah, got today like those little bird stickers to put on our windows because yeah, in the last couple of weeks we had quite a lot of birds fly against our windows. So yeah, we had one or two that were like, ooh, I don't know if they survived, but luckily they did. Thank goodness. But yeah, sometimes they're almost like they're unconscious, so yeah, I'm not really happy with that. And we're planning to get those stickers for a long time, and today when we were out, we saw them and we're like, yeah, we're going to get them, even if it's just for temporary, to see if it works, yes or no. Because yeah, not my thing. I don't want dead birds on my balcony because I like the birds too much. Dead spiders, meh, don't want to have them around. But yeah, I don't mind them as much as they're dead, but still, don't want them on my balcony. I had a big ass spider inside yesterday. Ugh. Trying to get the food of my cats, and I sort of like look up, like next to our air conditioning. You see that more often here. Many of the Dutch houses don't have air conditioning, but yeah, it's getting more common here now because yeah, our summers are getting hotter. Normally, this year it's only been wet. But yeah, I looked up, saw that thing, and next to it was a big spider. So yeah, no. I hate spiders. I get a ugh from them. Just get the shivers. I hate them. My husband doesn't like him, but he's like he doesn't want to like, well, throw a shoe at or anything at him because if he hits it and it makes that cracking sound, he's gone. He hit dead. So yeah, we had like our spider poison. We had our spider stuff. We found a little while ago that apparently spiders can handle the mixture of, let's think out the top of my head, 1 part vinegar, 1 part water, I believe. So yeah, it was gone in not a long time. So yay, was happy with that because as I said, I hate spiders. So yeah, glad it's gone. Yeah, I don't know what my house has with animals that doesn't belong here lately. Had some mice, had some spiders. Yeah. A couple of weeks ago I even had a mouse that was like sitting around in our garden with me even at like a few centimeters of its face. Probably was hurt, so we're like, I put it on the side of our house, so yeah, I needed to mow the lawn, so didn't want to have a mouse in the lawnmower. Ugh. Not a pleasant idea. But yeah, was jokingly saying to my husband I could play mouseball. Instead of football, it would be mouseball. But yeah, obviously I'm not going to do that. Poor thing. That wouldn't be nice. What else happened? Oh, we got in our fridge last week. So yeah, I cleaned that in the evening, and yeah, we now have a nice and big refrigerator. So yay! I think I'm keeping the words freezer and fridge mixed up, but I meant the cooling thing. Not the freezing one, the cold one. Oh yeah, my husband went to his doctor's appointment last week. Was already thinking that it was 2 weeks ago, but it was just one. So yeah, they had him at the hospital for an MRI, and as far as they now could see, it still looks like a schwannoma, whatever you call it in English. A somewhat good kind of tumor, let's put it like that. So it still looks like that, but as far as they could see on the MRI, it looked like it was benign because it was like a smooth edged, like a good mass. It wasn't like it was like nice and smooth, and as far as they now could see, it still looked good. So yeah, they don't know for sure unless they take it out, but hey, I'll take it. Better it looks good than it already doesn't look good, because yeah, now we need to wait yet another month, and then we can, he can go to a neurosurgeon to discuss it there, and probably, most likely, what will end up is that he needs to have it removed, because yeah, it is also like it is bothering him. So it's not like an option, so like just leave it there. Let's see, here's my color. So yeah, and as far as the doctor he now could think of, it's probably that he indeed needs to have his surgery, and needs to have like as many rest with his foot up for like 3 days or something. And then he, after that, probably needs to start putting weight on it bit by bit. So yeah. That means probably for me having the kids all by myself for a couple of days. Yay! Because yeah, most of the times he probably will be then upstairs, because yeah, with our kids are sometimes a bit energetic and playful, and yeah, not really careful. So yeah, our son had, like, I believe it was Friday or Saturday, he had one of those days that he wasn't looking what he was doing, and I think he fell off the couch like 3 times in one day. Yeah, he's like a bullet without a course to go. Yeah, yeah. How to say it in English? Yeah, he just goes wherever we want to go, and he doesn't care if it goes 1 centimeter downhill or 10 or whatever. He's just going there. He's not really looking at where he's going, so yeah. I think he will be the one that makes sure that I need to go to the hospital with him for broken bones or something. Broken, dislocated. For at least to go for like a cast or a pair of stitches. But yeah, at the same time, our daughter still isn't like really that careful, so it could be either one of them. Yeah. I think it was Friday that my son fell off the couch that often, because I believe it was the same day I took my daughter shopping. We had a little bit of mommy-daughter shopping, and yeah, she was really happy with me because she got herself a princess dress. Yeah, I saw them at one of the stores here, and they were like €8-9. I've been thinking about them for a long time because, yeah, she's many times like wanting one of her blankets around her like a cape or like an apron or whatever. So we're like, you know what? I was like, you know what? Just get her that for that price. It's okay. She was with me, so I could at least see a little bit like how the size was. Still too big because, yeah, she's tiny. And yeah, there were 3 different versions, so she could pick whatever she wanted. They were all the same price, so there was a blue one, a pink one, and a yellow one. And she wanted the yellow one. Yeah, now every once in a while she just randomly asks for the dress and wants to be a princess or a queen or yeah, whatever. And then 5 minutes later she's pulling it off and like, nope, don't want it, put it back. Kids. Yeah. Yeah, I also last week almost wanted to kill our cat, or Freddy Catty. Because, yeah, out of the blue, we heard some scratching, and my husband went to look, and she peed over the couch. So I was like, you stupid ass. Beep. So yeah, I wasn't happy, you can imagine that. No, it's not about you. If you heard that meow, that was Luna. I'm like, hey, I'm here. There's no need to be rude about me. But no, you're sweet-ish. But yeah, so I wanted to pull Lucia underneath the table where she was hidden by then. And then I felt she had a scratch, or like more like a bald spot on her neck. So I'm like, you wait, what? So it might be that she was just in pain and didn't want something or whatever. So yeah. As I'm saying this now, I'm thinking like, oh dang it, I wanted to call the vet about it. So, ugh. But yeah, that's the second time the cat peed over our couches. First time it was over a blanket. I thought I was still pregnant with our son or not even. Don't know for sure, but it was around that time somewhere. But yeah, I had to put a blanket on top of the couch and there was a funny smell in it. And yeah, the cats thought the same. And they wanted to let it smell to them. So yeah. So yeah, we're now also thinking about getting a new couch. Luckily, with some blankets and some puppy training pads and stuff over it, it is still manageable. It isn't stinking up the whole house, luckily. But yeah, you can imagine it's not a fun thing either. So yeah, I'm wanting to have a new couch, but at the same time, like, I don't know if I want to. Because, yeah, it's expensive and we had a lot of things that needed to be replaced in the last couple of, well, I almost want to say days. Like the last 1 or 2 weeks, and we have still a few things that were like, yeah, we actually need to slowly make sure we have that before it breaks on us. And yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, and top of that, for like if I really want to start the business kind of thing, I really do need to have some supplies beforehand to make sure, yeah, I have the stuff I can make stuff with, because yeah, I can't sell a necklace if I don't have anything, yeah, to put it on. So yeah, that's going to cost way too much. Yeah. Let's think. How long am I already rambling for? Let's check that out first. 26 minutes. I'm doing better than I thought. I thought it would be like 45 minutes. 3 kwartier, I wanted to say. Like quarter of an hour time. So yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking like what else? What else? I have things in my head and still I can't get them out. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it with that, because at this moment nothing's popping in my mind as what I was planning to say. So yeah. So yeah, if you are interested in some resin stuff, please let me know what kind of stuff you would like. If you would be like interested in like the jewelry stuff, or more like those pen holders for like the, yeah, pen cases, holders, like the round glass kind of things, or would you like a vase, or what is the type of stuff you would be interested in? I also do have like a domino set, and I was trying to get some dice, but those things are a pain in the behind. I can tell you that much. So yeah, maybe in a little bit I'll try them again, but yeah. The air gets trapped inside of them and I can't figure out a way to get the air out. So that, yeah, most of the times it is coming to the surface. So yeah, I think you can imagine how that goes. I have some sides that are perfectly fine, and I have some sides that look like, well, a side, namely the top side, that is looking like yeah. What else do I have? Think. Oh, I have snowflakes. I want to make a couple of those extra for like Christmas ornaments. So you need to make sure maybe that I have like multiple of the same. But yeah, again, if you want to have something and you're not afraid of you paying shipping, I can make like a custom set. Like if you want 50 snowflakes of the same, I can make 50 snowflakes. No problem. Just message me. Just saying. But yeah, can't tell I'm excited about it. But yeah, before I ramble even more, I'm just going to leave it with this today. I think I'm going to clean up a little bit because yeah, still my basement still needs cleaning. Well, not clean as much cleaning, I need organizing because yeah, I'm one of those crazy people. I want to have it organized and in a way that I can see it good, and yeah. So yeah, I'm already doing that for like half a year, but yeah, bit by bit, like 1 hour a week. So it's not going really quickly. But yeah, probably as soon as I hit the stop recording button, I'm like, oh, this I needed to tell, and that I wanted to share with you. And yeah, goes always like that. But yeah, again, I'm just going to leave it with this before I am rambling about nothing for half an hour. So yeah, again, I hope you like this rambly as usual video. Let me know what you think about the whole resin stuff. What is your favorite color? And what kind of stuff would you be interested in? If you even would be interested in something like resin stuff. I get that if you're interested in it, you're not obviously directly wanting to buy it, but like, hey, what are the things you would want to buy if you have the funds to do so? I am really curious for that. So yeah, again, for the 10th time. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, well, you know the drill. I hope to see you next time. Bye!